What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ford with the ticker symbol F. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Remember, guys, don't be shy. Please leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is. I just like to see participation for the video. So let's take a look at the daily chart for Ford. You can see that previously this was an uptrend. Now we're in a downtrend. So this is a pretty much a textbook reversal. We had this uptrend in play. You can see that price action was being supported by this channel working higher, and recently we had a break outside of it. So normally that would lead to a retest of the previous high, but we don't have to get that if there's a stronger pattern in play pushing down prices. So I did look at the weekly chart, and there is a stronger pattern in play that's pushing down prices, and I'll go over that after this daily chart analysis. So you can see that previously there was this range in play. So I'm gonna make this orange. We had this uptrend, we had a range, we bounced from the resistance side of the channel, got rejected pretty harshly. We were super excited for the EMA. We came back inside the range because this was a failed breakout. We chopped around a little bit inside here. Now we broke down on the bottom side, and now it looks like we are following this downtrend channel now. So previously prices were respecting this uptrend channel. Now prices are respecting this downtrend channel. So it's just a reversal. We're pretty much doing the exact opposite of what we were doing before. We were being supported by the EMA, and prices were making higher highs, higher lows. Now we're being rejected by the EMA, and the prices are making lower highs and lower lows. So this is a downtrend. I'm looking for down targets now. I'm looking for lower price targets because that's where prices are heading, and it's going somewhere. It's heading to the previous starting point at the $13 level. So that's where I think Ford is going. There is a measure move that's a little bit before, but I think we can get the $13 target. You see that this is the measure move right here, and this target is right at the $13.90 level. So right at the $14 level is where Ford is heading next, but I think we can reach the $13 level because that's where the starting point of this entire up move is. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly chart for Ford, and you can see that we have been inside of an uptrend since March of 2020, and now we're seeing a larger pullback than we have seen before. So this was the channel that's holding prices pretty nicely, and if I drag it up, you can see that we were extremely extended from the EMA right over here, and we have an overshoot on this side of the channel. So that normally can lead to an overshoot on this side of the channel. So that's why I'm looking for the break of the pattern, and I'm looking for that retest or a pullback to that $13 level. So that's where it looks like Ford is headed next. We are inside of this spike in channel working lower, so the bears do have the momentum in their hands. So there was this downtrend channel over here, but why did we bounce? What are the differences between these two channels that were working lower? So this one, we had a breakout side of the channel. As you can see, this was the break of it because this price action is not inside this blue channel. And then we had a retest of the previous low at a strong support, which sent prices much higher. You can see that all the big moves happen at key places, not random places on the chart. If you pay attention, you'll see that these strong support and resistance areas will be pushing prices the most. So now we're still inside the downtrend channel working lower. I don't see any candle bars outside of this channel. So it looks like this is much stronger than what we had before. So I don't think we're going to be stopping at the support side of this channel. So it looks like we're probably going to break. And also there's a clue that we will get a break outside of this yellow channel because we had a break on the top side. And since the market is symmetrical, that's what's leading me to believe that we will reach that $13 level with the downtrend helping us. So that's everything I have for Ford. I don't see extremely low targets as of right now. Maybe we can go back to those 2020 levels, but as of right now, it doesn't look like it. A lot of other stocks are back at their 2020 levels, but as of right now, Ford doesn't look like it. So I'll give you guys an update if anything else changes. So the target that I have is right at that $13.50 level. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye. If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course.